Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your standard incandescent turn single bulbs with Auxito's Switchback LED bulbs. So stick around. The first step you're going to want to do is turn your wheel all the way in so that you have some space to access this panel here. You're going to want to remove, there's 4 of these bolts, one here, there's one right up in here, and then another right here. And that's with a 5.5mm socket. And you're also going to need to remove this clip back in here. Once you have the wheel well cover liner pushed back, you can now access the bulb, which is right here. And you just simply give it a turn counterclockwise, quarter turn, and it'll pop right out. Now we'll go ahead and replace this bulb with Auxito's Switchback LEDs. To replace these bulbs, just simply give them a pull. They unclip. Replace your new bulb by simply inserting it back in until it clips in. And now we'll go ahead and hook up the load resistor to these wires here. Now that we have our Auxito LED switchback bulb installed, we got to go ahead and install these load resistors. And you want to replace your wires in these clips that come with it all the way inside to the back part. And then we're going to go ahead and clip on the 2 outside wires. So the black with the yellow stripe on this, in this case, and then it'll be this outside wire here. So you just slip that wire all the way in. It's easiest if you open it up as far as you can. And you want to get that wire in there to the slot. There'll be a little bit of a slot, a metal slot right inside your clip. Get that wire in there and then press it closed. And then we're going to go ahead and do it on the outside wire as well. And then I like to take my pliers here and just give it a little bit of a squeeze. Make sure that it's nice and snug. Now that we got the load resistor in place, we're going to go ahead and give it a test before we get everything put back in and snugged up. So let's go ahead and turn on the blinker. As you can see, it's working. Let's take a look at the dash and make sure we don't have the hyper flash. Everything looks good. Alright, to get the ball back up in, you're going to simply push it back up in here and then give it a quarter turn clockwise and it's secured in. Now that we have everything tucked back into place, our screws are back in, our couple clips, the 2 clips that we pulled out are now in place. Just go ahead and repeat the same process for the other side. Here's a quick look at the difference between the 2 bulbs. The passenger side is your standard incandescent turn single bulb. And on the driver's side is Auxito's Switchback LED turn single bulb. As you can see, it's white and it'll turn amber when the blinker turns on. Now you can go from bright white running lights to amber colored turn single lights. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you were looking to replace your standard turn single bulbs with LEDs, I highly recommend you check out Auxito. They have a great product and is a wonderful switchback turn single bulb. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.